What up, gang? In this video, I'm gonna show you how I am doing music promotion to gain music fans 10 times faster than anyone you have ever seen before in the history of you having people show you how to do music promotion. And can I get an amen? Hallelujah. I'm crazy, but this is crazy. I do crazy shit. That's why it works. You gotta be crazy to try, right? Look, and I'm talking about I hyper-target fans who listen to my genre of music. Some of my songs are more pop. Some of my songs are more rap. Some of my songs are a combination of both. I make what I feel, and you should be too. Don't put yourself in a box. Never! A little quick side note tip there. Anyway, so any music style or music genre that you do, you can target these people like I show you in this video and get your ass some of these. You see these right here? You see this? Stupid as but I like it. Let's go. I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper, and you're about to get smarter from this. Let's break it down. Here's how you can gain 10 extra fans by not promoting where you're probably promoting your music right now, such as the USA, Canada, or the United Kingdom. There are billions of people worldwide that you can reach, while you can only reach hundreds of millions if you target United States, Canada, UK, and Australia. Now, the way that music promotion works is the broader, wider, and bigger your audience is that you're targeting, the bigger it is, the less it costs to promote to that audience, okay? Now, let me tell you why, in case you don't understand. This is because the ads don't have to be as hyper-targeted to outbid other people who are trying to target those same people. Yeah. So if it can't target that person because the bid's too much, well, it's like, oh, we got this other person up here, we'll show this to them right now. But if it's hyper-targeted, you only have certain people, it costs much more money. So a big audience means that there will always be someone online, even in different time zones, to run an ad to for the least amount of money possible. And overseas, I'm talking about getting 7 to 10 views per penny.
That's all?
Yes, I said penny, and I used to be so impressed with myself talking about 1 or 2 views a penny. Now it ain't, because I figured out how to get 5x on my stuff with it, right? And that means that for, like, do the math, $1,000, you can get around 1 million real views from real people, real subscribers. Son. I have all the data and all the stuff I show you, okay? Right now, stop. Here's the part where artists like you, and of course where I would ask, in the kid's voice, of course, Mr. Rob Level, oh boy, if you're running ads to people in foreign countries, how can they become fans? Do they even speak English? Whatever, right? Do they even listen to the kind of music that I make? Ho ho! Now, not only do I have data to back up that it massively gains fans, I have some surprising facts for you, good sir, good ma'am, good whatever you consider yourself today. First, you can target people who only speak English. So that's not an issue. Second, if you promote to these countries, you still choose to promote to hip hop and rap audience fans, okay? You still target those people, which means these are people who have listened to that kind of music before, so they're a lot more prone and likely to listen to hip hop if that's what you do. Yes, sir. That's what you do. Little hip hop, keep it up. Third, in a lot of foreign countries, there are a huge part of the population that speak English, and most listen to English rap and pop. You understand the influence we have on the world, son. We have so much influence. Did you know that in India, they have a population of 1.5 billion people, and there are around 200 million people in India, just in India, which is not even that big, who speak English. Bruh. That's 200 million potential fans for you. Potential fans. The population in the United States is only 330 million people, to put that in a little bit more context for you. Okay. The United Kingdom only has a population of 68 million people, which means that 3 times the people speak English in India than they do in the UK. And I say it before I say it again, I bet you that blew your panties off. Because when I saw it, well, I wasn't wearing panties, but you might be wearing panties. Whatever, it's supposed to be funny, shut up, right? If you want to know how to run YouTube ads for your music to these English-speaking people, music fans for your exact music that are in the age range of 14 to 24 years old, by the way, I'm not talking about you don't run it to all these other people, don't make no sense. I can show you how to do that. I can show you the world. Come on. By the way, quick tip, by the way, just real quick, leave you something else. You're gonna want to target 14 to 24 year olds because scientific studies show that, and this is because this is all before their music choices solidify and they stop accepting new sounds as they age, okay? So always target that audience, okay, if you want a higher chance of it converting. It's also the age range where music spreads the fastest, so it's a win-win for us doing that, okay? Plus everything that I can show you how to do and what's in this video. Now I have way more psychological facts and incredibly useful marketing stuff so that you can get the results that you can see in front of you right now. Quit playing with me. There's a reason why there's 10 million views on this song, on the music video, okay? All right, there you have it, gang. If you want that exclusion list, and what I mean by exclusion list is the list of which countries to exclude so that it focuses on the highest converting, cheapest countries to run ads to for your music, ones that will actually have English speaking people, ones that will actually get the clicks, and ones that I have proof is converting. You can get your hands on that, okay? The link is in the description, the link is in the top comment, or go to musicindustryshortcut.com/hookup, because I'm gonna hook you up, okay? Bam, 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 bam. Subscribe. you're about to hear my screwed up true story. I hope inspires you to chase your glory. It's even tattooed as a daily reminder that I came this far and know I'm a fighter. I was seeing therapists by 4 years old for anger and violence I couldn't control. But 5, my mom gave me up for adoption. Stepdad saying, now it ain't my problem.